What if the trading platform you trust for being the fastest and most convenient to withdraw turns out to be the one that protects you the least during a crisis? Or what if a broker offers low fees and strong licenses, yet makes you wait up to 3 days just to withdraw a small profit? In today's video, we're going to compare Exness and XM Global, two names that have gained significant attention in the trading community in 2025. Which one is better? The answer really depends on your trading style. Because if you're trading from India, the Philippines, Nigeria, or any other region, choosing the wrong broker could cost you your money, or worse, your entire account. Most beginners tend to fall into one of two traps. They pick a broker simply because of flashy ads, or a random Telegram message that says, "This one's the best, bro." Or they choose a regulated broker, but don't fully understand the fee structure, withdrawal system, or trading limitations. The result? They end up trapped by hidden fees, widening spreads, slow execution, or simply being unable to withdraw their money when it matters most. So today, let's break down 5 practical factors to help you choose not based on emotion, but on informed decision-making. 1. Licensing and reliability. XM is regulated by ASIC, Australia, CySec, Europe, IFSC, Belize. These are Tier 1 and Tier 2 regulators, offering different levels of protection depending on your region. Exness, on the other hand, operates under multiple entities, including FSA, Seychelles, CySec, FSCA, South Africa. So what does this mean? If you value tight regulatory supervision and transparent dispute resolution, XM is the safer choice. But if you're in a region with lighter regulatory requirements and want a fast setup with high leverage, Exness offers more flexibility. Still, security isn't just about licenses. It's about how a broker handles problems when they arise. And that's why we need to go deeper. 2. Fees, spreads, and leverage. For EUR/USD, XM offers spreads from 1.0 to 1.4 pips on standard accounts with no additional commission. Exness shines with its raw spread accounts, starting from 0.0 pips, plus a commission of around $3.50 per lot per side. If you're a scalper or a high-frequency trader, Exness's low spreads are a big advantage. But watch out for the commission structure. Many beginners get overwhelmed quickly. When it comes to leverage, XM allows up to 1,000, already high for most traders. Exness? On certain instruments, they offer unlimited leverage. Yes, unlimited. Sounds amazing, but also extremely risky. If you're new to trading, high leverage is a double-edged sword. One wrong move could wipe out your account in minutes. Pro tip: if you're not confident with risk management, stick to lower leverage. Slow and steady often wins the race. 3. Trading platforms and execution speed. Both brokers support MT4, MT5, and mobile trading apps. But according to real trader feedback, XM has more stable execution during news releases, ideal for traders who operate during volatile sessions. Exness executes trades blazingly fast in calm market conditions, perfect for EA, expert advisor bots, or rapid-fire scalping. 4. Product offering. XM offers Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, and a few cryptos. Exness offers Forex, gold, crypto, indices, and even synthetic instruments in some regions. A real-world example. Traders report that Exness's Bitcoin spread can be as low as $2.05 during calm periods. Meanwhile, XM offers fewer crypto pairs and wider spreads. So if you're focused on crypto, gold, or automated trading, Exness is more flexible. But if you prefer blue-chip stocks, major currency pairs, and stability, XM is worth considering. 5. Withdrawals and support. This is where opinions often clash. Exness is highly rated for its 24/7 instant withdrawals. You can use UPI, Skrill, USDT, and more in many countries. Withdrawals are processed within minutes, sometimes under a minute. XM, on the other hand, still uses a manual processing system. Withdrawals go through bank transfers, cards, or e-wallets. Processing time, 24 to 72 hours, depending on the method. If you need quick access to your profits, Exness is the speed king. But be careful, speed doesn't always mean safety. If there's a dispute or transaction error, support and resolution speed from offshore brokers can be a whole different story. That's why many experienced traders split their funds. Trade aggressively on Exness. Keep long-term capital safe with XM. So, who should use which? Choose XM if you trade with large capital, need regulatory protection and transparency, prefer learning resources, webinars, and support tools. Choose Exness if you prioritize fast withdrawals, EA trading, or scalping, want access to low-spread crypto trading, need flexible, high-leverage options, still can't decide? Use both. XM for capital protection, Exness for trading freedom. There's no perfect broker, only the one that fits your needs right now. The biggest mistake is choosing a broker just because someone said it's good. You must choose based on your trading goals, speed, safety, or flexibility. So ask yourself, are you optimizing for long-term peace of mind or short-term convenience? And if this video helped you see things more clearly, leave a comment below. What's the #1 factor you care about when choosing a broker? Fees? Speed? Licenses? Something else? Your answer might help another trader avoid their first big mistake.